Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the practice questions on reference table page 2 and 3. So make sure you have the document out. So, question number 1. Which two New York State locations have surface bedrock of similar ages? So, whenever it's talking about surface bedrock, you should go to page 3 of your reference table where the title is bedrock, right? And it wants the ages of the bedrock. So, what we should be looking at is the geologic period and eras in New York, the very bottom key of the reference table, page 3, and that will tell us the ages of the rock. So, which two New York State locations have surface bedrock of similar ages? The correct answer is D, Watertown and Albany, because notice Watertown is right here and Albany is right here, and both of them are in the same region or with the same pattern. And this pattern in our key is from the Ordovician period, meaning Watertown and Albany, the bedrock in those areas are from the Ordovician period. So let's try question number 2. At which New York State location can intensely metamorphosed surface bedrock be found? The correct answer is B, Old Forge. So, intensely metamorphosed bedrock. Once again, we see bedrock. So, we should go to page 3 of our reference table. The title on page 3 is Generalized Bedrock. So, the answer is Old Forge right here, because Old Forge, the pattern in Old Forge, matches the Middle Proterozoic sequence, or the key for that. And the Middle Proterozoic, and so are these other two, tectonic sequence and Middle Proterozoic, these areas are all intensely metamorphosed rocks. So that's why at which New York State locations can intensely metamorphosed surface bedrock be found? That would be Old Forge out of all the other options. Okay, let's try question number 3. Which type of surface bedrock is most commonly found in the Utica, New York area? The answer is sedimentary A, sedimentary with limestone, shale, sandstone, and dolostone. Bedrock, the question has bedrock in it, so we should go to reference table page 3. Here's Utica, and we can see from the pattern that Utica's in, this pattern is the Ordovician period. Ordovician period is dominantly sedimentary rocks, and this is where it tells us what specific rocks there are. So limestone, shale, sandstone, and dolostone. That's why the answer is, which type of surface bedrock is most commonly found in Utica, New York area? A, sedimentary with limestone, shale, sandstone, and dolostone. So go ahead and try questions 4 and 5 on your own. Pause this video and then play to find the answers. Okay, question 4. Which type of surface bedrock are most likely found near Jamestown, New York? The correct answer is C, shale and sandstone. So bedrock, once again, the question has bedrock. So we're going to go to page 3 of our reference table. And page 3, Jamestown right here, has bedrock from the Devonian time period. And the Devonian time period has these rocks: limestone, shale, sandstone, and conglomerate. So that's why C is the correct answer: shale and sandstone. Number 5, the correct answer is D. In New York State, the surface bedrock of the Catskills consists mainly of D, limestone, shale, sandstone, and conglomerates. Because if I go to page 2 and 3 of my reference table this time, Catskills are right here, and the Catskills match up with page 3 of my reference table, which is this location. This location on page 3 of my reference table is from the Devonian time period, and these are the rocks from that time period. So that's why in New York State, the surface bedrock of the Catskills consists mostly of D, limestone, shale, sandstone, and conglomerate. Because these two areas match between page 2 and page 3. I started from page 2 because Catskills is a landscape region on page 2, and this area matches page 3 of my reference table. And this area on my reference table is a Devonian time period, and the Devonian time period has these rocks as the bedrock.